Hello. So in this video, we're gonna do the control structures implementation. So what we have here is a base code. So I already pre-coded the buffer reader, initialize it, and then we created the class named activity 5 Lima, which is my name. So now let's proceed to make the program. So we are tasked to make a Java Java program that will ask for user input such as gender, their first name, their last name, and also their age. And then there are conditions to be met for us to give an output. So, for example, if the user is a female and their age is 20 and above, they are to be called as Mrs. There is a title Miss on their name. And uh, unless if they are not married, so they will be only called as Miss. And if they are below the age of 20, they will be called only by their uh, name without the honorifics or titles. And then the same goes with the for male. So if the male is over 20 and above, they are to be called with Mr. on their name. And if they are not 20 yet, uh, they are to be called only by their name. So for now, let's make and ask make the code that asks for the user input. So we go with system dot out dot print what is what is your gender. One for yes, then no for and for no. And then using the buffer reader, we're gonna input string and then gender, and then we read it. So data a line. Next, we're gonna use the method substring to get the index, the first index of the string. So if they type um, female, it will only get the first character, which is the F. And if they type male, they're gonna get the character M, which is for male. After gender, we're gonna get the first name. So just copy this. age is a numerical rate, right? So we're gonna use short, gender, short age, short. We need to parse this short since the buffer reader usually reads inputs as strings. So we must parse it first to be able to convert it as a short. Like that. Now after that, we're gonna do the conditions. So if the gender is equals to f, or functional on gender equals small letter n. Uh, so if this is gonna ask the age. If age is greater than or equal to 20, it will ask the user if they are married or not. So system dot are you married? For a yes and for a no. And then number state is married. Data A, substitute index 0. Now we're gonna do a condition that if they are married, if they say yes, if is married is equals to what, or is married. Will print they will call them as Mrs. number name. Captain with their first name. Now if they are not married, we print system dot print is okay. If the age is not 20 or above, so we're gonna do system dot out dot um only the first name and last name. Now for the male conditions, male condition, else if gender equals to, if the gender variable is equals to uh, small m or small m, and if the gender is male and age is greater than or equal to 20. So we're gonna print system print we'll call them as Mr. Last name. Else if the age is else if their age is uh not 20, so they haven't reached the age of 20 yet, so they're gonna be called as system of the print like now let's try to save this file, save as what's the done. Let's try to run this. Hello again. So excuse for the interruption. The power went out for a bit, so let's continue. Good thing is the program was auto save, and I'm thankful for that. So let's try to run this. Try sorting. So what is my gender? Let's say I'm male. Then the first name. So age, I am 20 years old. Then I'll be called as Mr. Donn. So it's working. Now let's try it again, but with the female. So let's go with that. First name. Let's try Mary. So age is 34. Is she married? Let's say yes. Then should be called Mrs. Mary de Guzman. Then let's try another run. Uh, Female. And then first name Angela. Then the doctor. Who's age 12. So she'll be only called as Angela Cruz. So that's all. That's all for the uh, control structures. Thank you.